Good morning from Rockefeller Plaza in beautiful New York. Look at this guy welcoming people in right here. Morning, how are you? Doing great. I'm excited. I'm going into FAO Schwarz for the first time. Let's take a closer look. All right, Abby, here we go. Into FAO Schwarz. We're going in. They have a Build-A-Bear workshop here inside. I'm loving all this rocket stuff they have in here. It's crazy to think this has been around since 1862. There's the FAO Schwarz bear. It's so hard to get. There it is. It's flying through. This guy's flying it through the store. There it is. Hello. Great flying skills. You can't think of FAO Schwarz without the bear, and also Christmas. Amazing. And I always think of big when I think of FAO Schwarz. The big piano. You know the scene. You can take home your own giant dance on piano from FAO Schwarz. And you can be Josh Baskin from Big and meet Zoltar. I wish I were big, is what Josh says. That's not my wish. Did you just push? You just did it, Abby? Oh, I'm coming closer.
That's right. You must live your days as if they were your last.
I can't hear him. I wish that everything is healthy and great. All right. Zoltar speaks. Let's see what my future is. Your fortune, romance, or great friendship you'll soon find adds a great pleasure to your life. Wow. Okay. Hi.
Hi, exactly. You found it pretty soon.
Immediately. There's the Jellycat Diner right there. They give you a plush and they wrap it up like it's food. And you can see the inner workings of the clock they have. Yeah, there's the clock. Look at these teddy bears. They've got the Stife collectors here. They've got an Elvis themed bear and a Rolling Stones themed bear. And then here's Snoopy. Donald Duck. That's amazing. Dumbo. And there's Snow and Dopey. Abby, let's take this one home.
I think that would go great in the living room.
The Mama Cow. Josh Baskins. See if I can do it. And after you live out your Josh Baskins fantasy there, like I said earlier, you can buy your own, but they have a chocolate bar. It's a piano chocolate bar. You can get a notepad with 30 Rockefeller Plaza, or I danced on the grand piano at FAO Schwarz. Tervis. Also some other New York locals here. Marv and Kevin and even Harry. Right outside of the Comcast building here. Look at that. Whew. That's insane. FAO Schwarz was a dream come true. It really was. Down below, this is under 30 Rock. There's dining and shopping. 5 acres. That's what it says. I'm not sure if that's the name or if it's actually 5 acres. I bet it is. They've got this place decked out for spring. That's the name of a restaurant, 5 acres. They had me thinking under 30 Rock, dining and shopping, 5 acres. Look at this though. Look at the size of that building. To the ground floor over here next to this ring. Prometheus. That's it. Teacher in every art brought the fire that hath proved to something a means to mighty ends. I can't see what that word is because it's blocking the fire. Prometheus. I did know that. That's pretty. That's cool. They're doing poetry over here. These people are just coming up and doing their own poetry. That's nice. One last look at this building. And I'll just do like a little panning skyline here. See all this. Some of this just does not look real. The magnitude of everything. Where I'm from, the city was not like this. We had some buildings. We have, Jackson has some tall buildings. But even Orlando doesn't have a building this tall. Thought I should also add, since I mentioned big, that Home Alone 2 was filmed here. This is where the Christmas tree was. Kevin was reunited with his mom. And right past Rockefeller is Saks Fifth Avenue. Like the Saks Fifth Avenue. That kind of stuff blows my mind. Because you see it in theme parks, you see it recreated in so many things. And then of course right next to that is the cathedral from Gremlins 2. St. Patrick's Cathedral. Wonder if the gargoyle's still up there. The Cathedral of St. Ave Marie. I love Gremlins 2. This is beautiful though. I'm gonna go inside this time. Abby and I are gonna go inside and see what it looks like. Yeah, St. Patrick's Cathedral. This is it. Gremlins 2. Gonna walk inside though and see what it looks like if we can get inside. The door's open. This is beautiful as you first walk in. Here we go. Holy cow. Even with the scaffolding going on, this is insane. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Eating lunch in Ace's Pizza inside Rockefeller. Over here they have the TV playing Alf. They have VHS. We got Michael Jordan over here. They have TVs playing different movies and TV shows. They've got video game, arcade style. It's cozy, isn't it?
So cozy, yeah.
Yeah, and then look right here. When we get bored, we can play with the Garbage Pail Kids and Alf. We'll play the board game of E.T. Got so excited, I forgot to film. This is a veggie pizza. It's so good. This is a personal size. but it's like the best way to describe it is like garlic bread with pizza on top. And we also got a chicken Caesar salad. Made it down to Koreatown. We're heading towards Sarah Jessica Parker's house, her apartment from Sex and the City. Got an old school taxi out here for a wedding that's happening. That's awesome. We still got a ways to go though. Ways to go. And the Flatiron building, of course, has scaffolding on it when we're here. That's all right. Got a half hour or more of a walk. Viewers of all, I give you the strangest Home Depot ever. Look at that. That's a Home Depot. It looks like the United States of Home Depot is what that should be called. It's intimidating. All right, this was an hour walk. We made it down to Perry Street. This is where Carrie Bradshaw's house is. Played by Sarah Jessica Parker. This is Carrie Bradshaw's house. Even that no parking sign right there on the pole is still here. This is it. 64 Perry, and they have no trespassing signs all over. But let's look at it like we did the Full House house. Let's see, they have this all blocked off. But this is it. Right here. From Sex and the City. Alright, we're going to take an Uber back to the hotel and chill out for a while. Go back out this evening.